today is another day to make things even better than yesterday. So come and join me and let us discover new earning opportunities on our smartphones. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. I already shared about this new cryptocurrency project in the past, but that was a long time ago, so I will be sharing an overview of what Pi token is all about, how to earn Pi, what is the current value of Pi, how to trade and withdraw this token. As emphasized on mindpi.com, Pi is not free money. And it's definitely not the mathematical constant 3.1459. Otherwise, I won't be talking about it here. Anyway, Pi currently is a cryptocurrency project whose success depends on the collective contributions of its members by confirming the legitimacy of every activity on the network. Pi Network was developed by Stanford PhDs, allowing users to mine cryptocurrency on their mobile phones without a cost and without draining their phone's battery. The ultimate goal is to create the world's most used cryptocurrency, some kind of alternative to Bitcoin with much more benefits. It launched its Phase 1 on March 14, 2019 with a mining rate of 3.1 Pi per hour. Then it halved every time a new milestone has reached. The community grew larger and larger, reaching over 18 million engaged members at the moment with a base mining rate of 0.1 Pi per hour. The team is encouraging everyone to mine Pi while they can, because minting, or simplified as mining, for new members might end anytime soon. You can check my previous video of Pi Network to learn more about how to use the application. First of all, before you grab your phone and have this app installed, please don't forget to read everything you have to know about this platform. You can read reviews, the platform's FAQ, the white paper, or even the terms and conditions just to understand what you're getting into. Many are wondering if this token is legit or just another scam. Well, for me, it's still early to say that Pi Network is fake or not. And there is no guarantee that it will succeed in the future. However, Pi is currently working so hard to make it happen. Pi token is still in its testnet stage or phase 2, which is why it does not hold any value at the moment. In this stage, the developers are doing their best to test and experiment with all possibilities for Pi nodes, KYC, monetization through ads, and third-party apps with the Pi wallet. During the testnet stage, it is not available to buy Pi tokens on any cryptocurrency exchanges and trading platforms due to its non-tradable value. Transferring Pi tokens is also not allowed to prevent fake accounts to keep accumulating Pi. Once Phase 3 or the mainnet stage is reached, which I believe is happening anytime soon, Pi token holders will be able to use their tokens to buy products and services on Pi's peer-to-peer marketplace. Users will also be able to exchange it for fiat currency and eventually withdraw their balances. But the most important in this stage is for your account to be verified. You need to pass the KYC verification in order to use your accumulated Pi tokens. According to the white paper, only verified accounts will be honored in Phase 3. You only need to submit a valid ID or passport to prove your identity. This is to ensure that each user is distinct and belongs to a real person. If you're wondering how much is the potential value of Pi token, well, according to the FAQ, it could start from $1 to $10 and probably increase in time. Sounds promising, huh? There is so much potential in Pi Network that it's gonna be the next Bitcoin. The next Bitcoin. The next Bitcoin. Or is it? We'll see. That's all for today, my friends. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!